Here we are down at Gilley's. Gilley's of Dallas, downtown Dallas. You can see where we are. It's convention center there. And here's downtown. We're getting ready to redo this parking lot. They were getting ready for a big Super Bowl crowds coming up, and this area you see here will be transformed next week into a beautiful parking lot. They've got one on the other side of their building, but they're expecting overflow crowds, and we're going to help them accommodate them. This is one of our specialties. We come in, and I'll show you next week, and we'll grind up this old asphalt, cement stabilize it, compact it, then overlay it with new asphalt and stripe it. But today what we're doing, one of the many things we do, is we're pouring light pole bases. We started the job this morning. We had an auger company come out and drill the holes. These are 24-inch light pole bases we're pouring. They go 12 feet in the ground, 3 feet out of the ground, and they will support the new light poles for the new parking lot. And we came in this morning and put the rebar in, drilled the holes, put the rebar in, and installed the sonotube to hold the concrete above the ground. And now we're pouring these light poles. There's the anchor bolts that will go down in the wet concrete, which the light poles will be anchored to. This is the next one we're going to pour. You can see the rebar with the rings inside the sonotube and the 12-foot hole. And then we will be pouring 2 more of these down the way. And then next week we'll be in here making a beautiful parking lot, which I'll show you our progress on that next week.